Now to an update, the man accused of killing and hitting a San Luis Obispo couple and their dog back in November made his first court appearance today in connection with the case. I was in court for the hearing where the judge ultimately decided the suspect could be released from jail, but with restrictions. Daniel Saligan Patricio appeared in a San Luis Obispo County courtroom Wednesday morning for his arraignment, but did not enter a plea. The 24-year-old was arrested Monday and faces 2 counts of vehicular manslaughter with gross negligence in connection with the deaths of Matthew Chachere and Jennifer Besser. Saligan Patricio is accused of hitting Chachere and Besser as they were walking their dog along Sacramento Drive in San Luis Obispo on November 21st of last year, and either not knowing he hit them or not reporting it. Police said the suspect was speeding along Sacramento Drive when he crashed into the couple, a curb, a street sign, and part of a bridge. The bodies of Chachere, Besser, and their dog were found more than a day later under heavy brush.
What a tragic case that our office takes very seriously. And so our advocacy will include them at the very forefront and their family to make sure that they're remembered and that we do everything we can to have justice for Jennifer and Matthew.
At least 15 members of Saligan Patricio's family were present during the arraignment, including his parents, grandmother, and wife. Saligan's attorney asked the court to reconsider his client's $200,000 bail, saying the defendant could not afford to pay it.
My client is young. He has no prior record. He's been fully employed for the last 3 years. His wife also fully employed. An interesting fact, and I think the court considered that, is that the fact that he's been driving and conducting himself safely and responsibly since November 21st, which is the date of this incident.
The prosecutor alleged Saligan Patricio was speeding, showed no indication of braking, and was looking at text messages when the couple was hit. The judge agreed to Saligan Patricio's release without posting bail, but said he must wear an ankle monitoring device and has to surrender his driver's license.
And that'll be supervised by our probation department until he comes back for arraignment and perhaps until the case goes to trial.
We're very grateful that we believe the court did the right thing by ordering his release with conditions.
I spoke to Saligan Patricio's wife and father, but they did not want to comment on the case on camera. I also reached out to Matthew Chachere's family, but have not heard back. Saligan Patricio will be back in court for his continued arraignment on March 22nd. Today's hearing was delayed for a bit after the prosecutor this morning suddenly collapsed. I was told she is doing okay.